Is this a camera for, walking a dog? I don't think so. Is it a camera that you put gloves on and go filming with? I don't think so. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh yeah, I got issues with every single DJI product, every single GoPro product, every single Yi technology product, every single product that I own. Here I am again, and I gotta adjust down my gimbal, and I already adjusted down on my last shot. Oh, it would not be fun if you had to adjust. Adjust, and adjust. I didn't adjust, and the camera's looking at me. Way to go, Pocket 3. I hope you got your Pocket 3. I'm going to be very happy with it, because soon after, they're going to be out with the Pocket 4. And then what will we do again? Go get another? I got vlogs all set up, and I gotta go edit, and I gotta go use the program and figure out if I really love it. It does the job just quite fine, but it's got its beefs and issues like every other. Wondershare Filmora 14, when I drag my mouse across and the whole bottom just goes up with extra tracks on the timeline, and when I scroll my mouse around, it just skips right through the whole thing. Is it a Windows PC and Wondershare thing, or is it just a program that's out on the market that needs a lot of attention? I should go back to magix, but magix every 5 seconds at the end of the video just has an issue. And I can't mosaic certain things out, this and that. It takes a little extra time. There are things I love on programs and things I hate on programs. And that is life. Time to put you away for another warm day. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I catch up many other videos to come.